A tale of two economies, divergent growth paths. The years 2021 to 2024 have been marked by stark economic contrasts between the UK and the European Union. The UK economy, having navigated the initial shock of Brexit, demonstrated remarkable resilience and growth. In contrast, the EU faced a series of headwinds, leading to more modest economic expansion. This essay delves into the factors underpinning this economic divergence, exploring the policies, investments, and challenges that shaped this period. Examining GDP growth rates reveals a clear disparity. While the EU grappled with sluggish growth, averaging around 1.5% annually, the UK surged ahead, consistently exceeding 2% growth. This divergence, while influenced by global economic trends, highlights the distinct challenges and opportunities faced by both entities. Understanding these differences is crucial for interpreting the economic landscape of the coming years. Unleashing the UK's potential policies for prosperity. A key driver of the UK's robust growth was its proactive and agile economic policy. The government, quick to adapt to the post-Brexit reality, implemented targeted measures to stimulate investment and boost key sectors. Tax incentives for businesses, particularly in technology and innovation, proved instrumental in attracting foreign direct investment and fostering domestic entrepreneurship. Furthermore, deregulation efforts across various industries reduced bureaucratic hurdles and fostered a more business-friendly environment. This approach, coupled with strategic investments in infrastructure and skills development, laid the groundwork for sustainable economic expansion. The UK's nimble policy response, tailored to its specific circumstances, played a pivotal role in outpacing its European counterparts. Navigating the storm innovation and investment in the UK. Beyond policy, the UK's success story hinges on its embrace of innovation and technology. Recognizing the transformative potential of these sectors, the government prioritised investments in research and development, creating a fertile ground for cutting-edge technologies to flourish. This strategic focus on innovation fueled growth in sectors ranging from fintech to life sciences, positioning the UK at the forefront of the global knowledge economy. Moreover, the UK actively sought to attract global talent, fostering a diverse and dynamic workforce. Initiatives aimed at attracting skilled workers from around the world ensured a steady influx of expertise, further bolstering the country's innovative capacity. This commitment to nurturing a culture of innovation and attracting top talent cemented the UK's position as a global leader in emerging technologies. Section 4. The Eurozone's uphill battle challenges to growth. In contrast to the UK's dynamism, the EU faced a confluence of challenges that hampered its economic performance. Supply chain disruptions, exacerbated by the COVID-19 pandemic and geopolitical tensions, significantly impacted manufacturing and trade. The bloc's heavy reliance on Russian energy exposed its vulnerability to energy price volatility, further dampening economic activity. These external shocks exposed underlying structural weaknesses within the Eurozone. High levels of public debt in several member states limited fiscal space for stimulus measures, while labour market rigidities hindered job creation. The EU, grappling with these multifaceted challenges, struggled to regain its economic footing. Section 5. A divided continent policy divergence within the EU. Adding to the complexity of the EU's economic landscape were the divergent policy approaches adopted by member states. The lack of a unified fiscal policy, coupled with varying levels of political will to implement structural reforms, resulted in an uneven economic playing field. While some countries embraced pro-growth policies, others remained hesitant to undertake necessary but politically sensitive reforms. This lack of cohesion within the bloc hampered its ability to respond effectively to economic challenges. The absence of a united front on issues such as debt management, labour market flexibility and investment incentives contributed to the EU's sluggish growth compared to the UK's more synchronised and decisive approach. Section 6. Looking ahead, lessons and opportunities. The contrasting economic trajectories of the UK and the EU offer valuable lessons for policymakers and investors alike. The UK's experience underscores the importance of adaptability, innovation, and a business-friendly environment in driving economic growth. The EU's challenges, on the other hand, highlight the need for greater policy coordination, structural reforms, and a unified approach to tackling shared economic vulnerabilities. As we look ahead, it remains to be seen whether these trends will persist. The global economic landscape is constantly evolving, presenting both challenges and opportunities. Understanding the factors that shaped the divergent growth paths of the UK and the EU during this period will be crucial for navigating the uncertainties of the future. To explore these issues further, visit website address. Share your thoughts and join the conversation on the future of the UK and EU economies.